Early Sunday morning. Good morning, Jeff. How you doing, bro?
Pretty good.
So check this out, guys. We got Jeff's car in the car. We're going to be doing Subaru stuff at this time. We're actually doing some cosmetic enhancements on Jeff's lip because his lip is actually cracked, and we're going to replace that. We want to say big thanks to Extreme Online Store for sending us some good bits to help out Jeff and replacing his cracked arrow pieces. I kind of feel bad because Extreme Online Store actually sent this out to me like in August. We just never got around to it because, you know, things happen, life happens. But anyways, we got Jeff's car in the garage on the quick check. We're going to lift it up, and we're just going to get started. So let's open up the big box first. Jeff hasn't seen this yet, so it's a surprise to him. Carbon fiber up front lip for him. There you go, look at that.
Nice. Some little rubber grommets there.
Yeah.
And
oh, you got some hardware over there too.
I'll tell you, the bag of hardware. Some double-sided tape. And some screws. And some alcohol prep pads. It looks like it's 2 rolls of double-sided tape in there. And it's actually 3M, yeah. Perfect. And a bunch of screws. So we'll make that work. More tape and hardware. Let's see here.
I almost got winglets on it, I can see.
So let's pull out one of these.
Check that
Here are
out.
the side skirts with the winglets on the end.
It's kind of like what I have on mine, huh? Maybe you see in the background? Yeah, dude, check that out. Freaking cool.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, I dig it. All right, let's go get your old cracked front lip off the car. Let's install the new one. Well, your old lip's just a bunch of Phillips screws.
Yep, and a couple of pop clips in the factory locations. If I can get them out. They've been on here for a few years.
Yeah. So, Jeff, while you're doing that, if you were going to sell this car, what would you replace it with? So many to choose from, huh? With this car market the way it is.
Yeah, I'd probably do one of the Teslas, maybe a Cadillac CT5 Blackwing. Okay. Or maybe an RS3.
Oh. So I guess no 2022 WRX?
No.
You don't like it?
No.
You don't like it?
I mean,
I'm right there with you, bro.
If they had a different back bumper, and I mean, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of aftermarket options.
Yeah.
To cover up that stuff. Not the best looking back bumper, or so, you know, the only thing I really don't like about it is the back bumper and the plastic over the wheel wells.
Yeah.
Besides that, I think it looks okay. I don't know. It's a
yeah.
And I'm sure within, you know, a few months there's gonna be aftermarket options.
Yeah. All right, got the old one off.
It's dirty.
It sure is, man. The years of gunk, and that's where the crack is. Look at that.
Yeah, right there.
Well, not too bad though. I mean, you can't see it.
No.
From, like,
yeah, when it's on pushed together, you couldn't really see it, but hit a chunk of wood on the freeway. And
it's a 10-footer, is what you call it.
Yeah, but now it's going in the trash.
All right, what we got going on, Jeff?
We just got all the pine needles and the dirt and stuff, road debris that we got to clean off of here before we put anything else back on.
Of course, yeah. You don't want to stick a lip on there with all that dirt on there. It's like years of dirt.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'd say I don't think this lip's been on. It hasn't come off since the car was wrapped 4 years ago.
Wow. And you still got your winter tires on there.
Yeah.
Are you guys asking where's Jeff? Oh, here he is. And just look at the WRX front end without a front lip. It just looks naked. Like, it looks like something's missing.
Yeah, it definitely does.
Yeah. It's like it needs a front lip of some sort. I don't know what it is about it, but the front lip just makes the whole front end look so much better. Oh, you got the prep stuff? Is this the prep stuff? And we got the hardware. I don't know if those are stainless steel, but we'll make it work.
Alcohol prep.
Okay.
So we're doing the double-sided tape.
Oh, that's right. With the double-sided tape, we're gonna line it up. All right, so we're gonna prep the surface with the provided alcohol pad. Those things dry pretty quick, so we're not only gonna wipe this one down and prep this surface, but we're also gonna prep the bumper surface too. All right, so we're gonna set one screw in as an anchor, pretty much. Just anchor it, probably one on each side, or you can do the middle, whichever one works for you. But we're doing new holes, brand new holes. So do we need a drill, or is it just self-tappers?
Self-tappers. I don't know if it should overhang like this on the side, or bring it. Oh, you can't do that.
Well, I'll hold it on the other side.
Okay. I'm thinking we'll have that little bit of overhang on the outside. Yeah, with that back inside corner. Line up for that inside corner there.
Yep. We can bend it a little bit. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
That's pretty good.
Then I'm just gonna go ahead and sink one in right here in the front then.
Yeah, anchor it, and then we'll go from there.
All right, there's one. Yeah, because it's got about 1/8 of an inch. I want it to go forward just a hair. So I'll pull out the one screw put here.
Yeah.
And move it forward just a little bit. There we go. Yeah, we're all done. And it's not going anywhere.
All right, there it is. Front lip installed. What do you think, Jeff? Looks pretty good, huh?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. I like it.
Yeah, a lot better than the old plastic one that you have. Was that the OEM?
No, that was a...
Oh, eBay.
Yeah, eBay special that I bought in mid-2015.
Yeah.
That was like one of the first things I threw on the car. And
It's lasted this long.
yeah, it's
right?
been on there ever since.
Yeah, but now you stepped up the game with carbon fiber. There you go.
Yeah.
All right, now we got the side skirts next.
Yep.
That should look pretty easy too.
Oh yeah. So it's only about 5 screws each and all good.
Damn, it's not even lunchtime yet.
Yeah.
All right, we're making good time. Carbon fiber, that should last a while. It's like Jeff was talking about my hood here. Yeah, it's got like, I don't know, 60, 70,000 miles. This was actually on my old WRX, and you can see there's no rock chips, there's no fading, there's no yellowing on there. This is the VIS Racing hood. It's lasted a good long time, except for these vents. They used to be black, but I just got to spray paint them, and they should be good to go. Yeah, hood's lasted pretty good. Not bad for I think it was like $1,000 shipped.
Yeah.
For that, I think the price of carbon fiber hoods now has gone up significantly.
Oh, yeah, quite a bit.
But yeah,
like
not
these
bad.
Are now like 1,700 or something
No
like
shit,
that. Yeah.
really?
We're pretty close to it.
Fuck, dude. All right, next up we have the side skirts. We did a little test fit on them, and they fit pretty dang good. I think probably fitment's probably 9 out of 10. But we'll see. We'll let you guys know how the fitment is once we get everything screwed in. That was super easy, huh, Jeff?
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
Not bad at all.
Yeah. I'd recommend having an extra person hold it up while you anchor it down with the 1 or 2 screws. And there you go. Fitment was pretty much spot on. I don't see anything wrong with it. It looks pretty damn good. You can see it actually conforms to the body line right there.
And on the bottom, it lines up with the dimples on the bottom side of the factory side skirt. So it fits perfectly in place front to rear. Yeah. And just notches right in place.
Awesome. I dig it, Jeff.
Yeah, it looks good.
So there you go, Jeff.
Yeah.
Super easy, simple
Definitely,
job.
Yeah. I was impressed with how well, especially the side skirts fit really well.
Yeah, we're not bullshitting you guys. I know. We want to say big thanks to the Extreme Online Store for sending this to us, because if it fit like crap, we would tell you guys.
Yep.
But it really fit really good.
Yeah,
not gonna lie to
the
you
side
guys.
skirts couldn't be any better. They just literally snapped into place into the cutouts already there, and there was no movement front and rear. You had to do just screw it right in.
Yeah.
The front lip was slightly off by like 1/8 of an inch, but you could tweak it and then put a screw in and just hold it in place when you screw it in, and it's fine.
Yeah.